CloudTrail. What is the use of CloudTrail? Okay, this also like kind of logs CloudTrail. What it will do, right? What all the activity you're doing on this account, everything is be captured by this CloudTrail. Like if I'm going outside, it will be captured. If I'm coming inside, it will be captured. If you're doing any clicks on the resources, like if what you did, you went to EC2 instance and you created one EC2 instance, and after some time you deleted. Okay, then you want to know like few members having the access into same account. You created one EC2 user, right? Sorry, EC2 server. Then what happened? Some other person got terminated that instance, but in that instance having some data. So you want the data. Okay. Then you want to know who is terminated that instance. You want to know how you will track. Like as of now, we have only access to the all the things. But who 5 members? So you go to individual persons. You will ask for the who you deleted my server. You deleted my server. You will ask no, right? You can't ask to everyone, right? So now it's 5 members. If you go in future, it will be might be 100 members. So you need to go to 100 members and you terminated my server. You're not able to ask like that, right? So what all the things we'll be doing here, right? It will be everything will be captured by CloudTrail. Like what all the things, but IAM users, IAM roles. So role-based access we are providing, right, to all the services. So that thing and all, it will take and it will capture the role access also. Users. And one more thing about users, roles. One more thing is programmatic access. Access key and secret access key. Right. Why? Because by the programmatic access, we can able to access our entire console, all the things, right? In the programmatically. Right. These three will be captured here. How to see all the things. So here, see here, create CloudTrail. CloudTrail will be free of cost. It don't charge you anything. Click on create log, right? What it's showing, there is no cost to log these events. You incur charges for the S3 bucket that we created to store your logs. Only for the storing the logs only it will be charged. Okay, you can ask one thing. Okay, I didn't create any S3 bucket, I didn't provide anything, but I'm not created. I don't know, like I didn't create any CloudTrail logs and all. Somebody got terminated. My instance, how can I check? Is it possible to check? Why? Because I didn't create an S3 bucket, right? So I didn't store anything, logs. So you might get a doubt like, is there any chance to get the who terminated my instance? Yeah, is there? Without creating any CloudTrail log bucket, you can able to see, cancel this one. Here, click on these three dots. Here you can able to see, right, couple of options. This is a dashboard. This is a event history. Click on event history. Okay, here event history can able to see all the things, right? This all by default, CloudTrail will be carrying a 3 months data. 3 months. After 3 months, it will delete the last one. So it won't store the last three. After or last 3 months, like if for fourth month, fifth one, you want to get the data, right? You're not able to get the data. So you're not able to view. For that, what we'll do, right? We'll create a trial, CloudTrail log, where we need to create, come here in the dashboard. Trials will be there, right? Create trial and give any name, like SAT, trial. Okay, here one option will be there. If you're logged in as a master account, right? Here it's showing enable for all accounts in my organization. Organization, I think sub account also, the child account is there, right? For all the things. If enable now, it will store all the things. So if you're not having any, okay, here it's asking where should I store the logs? What we can do, we can create a new S3 bucket. Okay. Or else I will go to the existing bucket. I created one bucket. Already existing one bucket is there. So I want to go and check. So here I click on the existing bucket, right? It will show you the trials bucket name. If you know the bucket name, you can give it here. Or else click on here, browse and select. Okay, I will select here. Okay, come down. Prefix. What is mean by prefix? Path. Folder. Okay, so like we are making one separate bucket for logs, right? Then what we'll do, we'll make it as a this is VPC flow logs, one folder. This is ALB flow logs. After load balancer will be there, right? For load balancer also, we need to create the logs. Okay, we can make it as one folder, ALB logs. One is CloudTrail logs. So whatever the segregations will be there, right? If you're coming to that bucket, if If you go and see, right, if you want to see the CloudTrail logs, right, go and click on the CloudTrail logs, the dates will become. So here, done. Log KMS key is enabled. Here, existing one. It asking to add any log KMS encryption. So we are storing the logs. You want to encrypt the data. So I'm not doing that. Log file validation enabled. SNS notification delivery. So whenever it got generated, right, it will be CloudTrail logs. It will go to the SNS notification. Topic name will be there, right? Yeah. When we create the SNS, it will give the one topic name. If you give the topic name, right, it will be come to that and we can say able to select. Is there default CloudWatch alarm topic is there? Before the trial we got created this one. So like that, server reboot. Okay. Like this, you can able to create the notification also. CloudWatch logs, all the things. But what you are doing, just we are creating the things. SIT trial, enable, I'm enabling only this account only. Okay. And using the existing bucket. What is AWS transcript? I'm not giving any path. Okay. Just I will create it. What are the things you want to log? Management events, all data events, or insight events. Okay. As of now, I'm selecting all the things. Management events, read and write, API calls, explore the Amazon RDS. Like they will access the data like RDS. You want to explore the things, you can select like that. So keep all the things like that same. Data event types. So we are not checking on this one. Insights, API call rate, API error rate. Like APIs will be there, right? If you're getting error, all the things will be monitoring. So what I'm just taking that thing only. S3 bucket. Okay, we don't require this data events and insights. Only we are going to management, all the account level. Okay, just I selected read and write next. So it got given this or not. So before we go create trial, we'll go on check the S3 bucket. AWS transcribe on S3 bucket is there. I opened something database will be there, right? What I will do, I will delete this thing data. None. No insert bucket, nothing will be there. Then we'll create this CloudTrail. See, you can able to see your login. So we enable the logs for this dashboard account. Okay, what are the things we will doing, right? Everything will be stored in the S3 bucket. Okay, how to see the 3 months data? Whatever you want, we are using, right? If somebody did anything, we want to see all the things, right? We can able to see from here. 3 months data in a sense, like here options will be read only, AWS access key. You want to know like who using the AWS access key. So if you give it here, so if you had any access key here, right, you can able to find what you did with that access key. Okay, so here what we'll do, right? The event history, event ID. Here resource name is there, right? I want to know, like if you go here, you see your instance ID is there. I want to know who created or who updated anything on this instance ID. Instance. Anyone, anything they did on in this instance. We go here. Here in the place, we need to select the resource name. Enter the instance ID. Enter. You can able to get the some things right. All the things. This is assuming the things it's done by automatically by the system server. We will see a couple of things what we updated anything here. What I will do, then I will go the bucket itself. Take this very easy. I'm going with a resource name. S3 bucket. Okay. Then able to see username. I have changed something right in this one. Create trial for this bucket. When October 5th, 2023, 16:38 UST. 5 hours fast less will be there. Here the first 5:30 hours will be the move forward right we are. So in the before 16:30. So you can able to see here. What are all things CloudTrail, AWS CloudTrail, all the things will be used. Who is the person? Me. I only use it, right? I only created a trial. So you can able to see here. Put bucket policy. Who? Me only. For the S3 bucket. Like that, we can able to find all the things. Okay. So or else if you try to access anything here, okay, you are going easy to view all the things. So if you want to go here, check by is not resource name, username. Okay. I will type here hyphen SIT. You can find all the things what I did, on which service I clicked. So you can all the things, look up events. Okay. Describe the event aggregations, look up events, describe aggregations, all the things. Get enrollment status, describe instance types, describe the types, describe addresses. So for the instances, whatever you're doing, right, any request is coming, right? You click on this one. So you can able to see some things here. Details, event type, by how, like source IP, from where. So what is my IP address? My IP address is 103.103.9.201. From this address, I requested this try. I'm doing this all the operations. This is how we can able to check which IP this one, like from where we got this request or not. Below you can able to see, right, some ARNs, username, account ID, access key. Okay, creation time, MFA. For this account, MFA is there or not. Event time, event source from where, CloudTrail. Event name, lookup events. Source IP address, from which address they are accessing. This is the address. Okay, user agents in the internal. Request parameters, look up attributes, access key. This is my access key. These and all things will become in the event ID, request ID, read only, event type, what type, call type, and management event, true. All the things we can able to see here. This is the most cases we will use all the things, event types. Only here only we'll use most, we'll use the access key. Sometimes we will use the event name, which event, if you know anything, event name. Or else read only, all the things it will come. Resource name. Resource names what? Like if you want to see only specific resource type, you can able to see EC2. Sorry, resource name, EC2, resource type. It will give you some options. Which resource you want to check? You want to check S3, right? S3 bucket. So what I did, put policy, create triangle, put bucket policy, all the things what I did, I can able to see for the only S3, not for the other resources. A resource type this one and username. This will follow. Okay. And from here you can able to download all the events. On which way? The JSON and CSV. CSV means comma separated values. You can able to see the commas. JSV in the sense, JSON in the sense, like we have seen one policy right here. Here, this is a JSON. By this way, it will take some difficulty to understand what does that mean by. If you know JSON properly, that you can able to understand easily. Okay. Majorly we use this one, like CloudTrail history. Okay. And here we can able to see create Athena table. Athena is a separate service that is used for the data catalog, for glue crawler, for retrieving the data, to processing data. For that they will use the Athena table. So why we are using, right? So as I told you, we are storing the logs to S3 bucket. This is S3 bucket we created. AWS transcript. If you go here, just I will refresh the page. I will go to insert the bucket. Can able to see any name here, AWS logs. We have enabled the CloudTrail, right? This is the logs. We go here, bucket. Here, CloudTrail digest and CloudTrail. Go to CloudTrail. Which region? US East 1, US East 2. So we are, which region we are using? We are using US East 1. Okay. What we'll do, we'll go with the US East 1. Which year? Which month? 10th. Which date? So like it will create the sub folders for every day. Okay, if you go in date, in the date, you can able to see that these many files. So it will create the every 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 minute. See, it created 1646, 1646, 1647. Every 1 minute. It will create the logs. Are you able to understand this thing? You are in this bucket. You open this one. I'm opening this one. You'll be able to understand this one. No, right? So in the CloudTrail, we can able to follow the one type. If you click on the resource name, user name, all the things we can able to identify. But here all the things come in a single time, right? How you will manage all the things? Okay, like that we need to search all the things. Okay, what if, okay, it got my name, wherever my name is there, right, it will come pop up. So if you didn't understand this thing, right, how you will identify which we are going to see? So on the time you can want now, you can able to trial it from here itself. Click on options, query with S3, select. Okay, click on here. Here you can able to SQL query. Select start from S3 object S limit 5. I am running this query. What it will do, it will take the data from that S3 bucket. Okay, it will give the data, the queries. So what in the proper JSON format? Okay, you know the SQL how to write the query, right? You can create like select star from S3 object, right? So you need to use like user where username is equal to Ramu SAT, Ramu SAT. If you give like that, it will give you the appropriate results for what we seen like this CloudTrail. Got it? This is how we will use the CloudTrail. Mainly, we will use for the only monitoring the all AWS account. So what all they're doing, what all we are doing, all the things we will see. In the last, we have created right trials. Can able to see the trials. In the which bucket it's going to the AWS transcript. Okay, we are going to governance the all the account, like who are accessing, if you want anything happen, how to check all the things we are saying. So by this way, if we give here right in the resource name, username, and read only, access key, event name. So by this, if you are giving the values, proper values, so you can able to get the appropriate results. What you want looking for. Okay. This is what CloudTrail.